Welcome back, everybody. Here we have the completed Speedo ready for assembly back into its bezel. So the glass has been cleaned, the dial has been cleaned, the speedometer has been set to the original mileage. Here is the completed newly installed barrel and third worm, and it's all looking good. So job well done. I'm looking forward to getting it back. So I had to machine up some new rivets, and I just waiting for the paint to dry on the top of those. So I actually turned up the Speedo this way, sat it on a staking punch with a hollow in it on this side with some paper to protect the new paint, and took a domed punch on the back side, spread out the rivet and domed it over. So that's how that's done, or that's how I did it in my case, because I happen to have all those tools and the size works. So here we have the little oil hole that has a wick in it, so you can oil the back of the Speedo to keep it lubricated. But everything's been greased with some watch grease, and I used 8200 just on all the gears, and that kind of stuff needs to be light enough that it's not going to drag, but lubricated enough so it runs smoothly. So that's what I chose to use, because that's what I use on mainsprings and other things in watches. So that's it. Thanks for watching.